Hello there. In this video, we're going to look at how to calculate the amount of overtime in a CuePython discrete event simulation, where overtime is basically calculated as the amount of time that a server continues working past what their schedule says that they should work. This happens in non-preemptive situations where when the schedule says that the server's busy time is supposed to be over, they will continue working on their current task until it's done, and then they're going to go off duty, depending on the schedule anyway. So that extra time, how do we calculate it? In Q, this is actually quite straightforward. Supposing you've put in a schedule of some kind. Here, there's going to be one server, then two servers, then 0, and the end points of those shifts are 4, 10, and 100. And down here, we'll simulate for 20 units of time. So to grab the overtime, you have to select, first of all, transitive nodes, because those are the nodes where services actually are completed. And it's as simple as selecting the node and then getting the overtime attribute. And that gives you the total amount of overtime at that node. So to run that, let's just open up Python, how to calculate overtime. And here you can see that the respective overtimes are 4 units of time, 1 unit of time, and 4 units of time. And that's just because of how it happens to work out with these deterministic arrivals and service time distributions. So that's it. That's how to calculate overtime using the CuePython package. Hopefully that's useful for you to model services that have overtime. And with that, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.